Good day, Kadena Hashers, and thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, I do want to quickly mention, obviously, the usual YouTube-y stuff. This is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe. And if you do have a chance, hit the bell notification, and then you'll be notified whenever I release any content. Without any further ado, let's get to our weekly update. This won't be a long one. Just want to add a quick update and go over a couple of things with the project and get back to Discord. Today, we're going to start with our sales. So over here, you're going to see our sales trends for right now. Weekly NFT sales of 32,660. So not a bad start to a week that was not a launch week. Bringing the project to a total of 372,920. 277 unique purchasing wallets total, i.e. buyers. Average spend per wallet is up slightly from 1331 to 1346. 4 wallets have purchased $10,000 plus dollars worth of NFTs. 14 wallets have purchased $5,000 worth of NFTs, and 4 wallets have purchased 10 NFTs total. In total, 158 lights, 71 pros, and 325 maxes have been sold. So as you can see in the graphs on there, that gives you a little bit of update on that. So now I'm going to take you over to our Discord page just to have a quick peek at some nice pictures here. So as you'll see, we actually got 17 of the 30 units in. So a founder's going to be setting those up this week, starting tomorrow, I believe, or something like that. So looking very forward to getting these guys going and seeing how the returns work out on those. And along with that, our tweet, which went through more details on that, we've actually are going to be putting us over 1 petahash of pure income generating power. So very exciting, very happy to see this stuff coming to fruition and looking forward to seeing it all get up and running. It will be in the temporary site for now, so there is we're not going to quite have as many units running. He's going to get as many as he can going into the temporary site, and later this week, I believe Wednesday, the slab should be poured for the concrete to get the transformer in, which will allow them to start building the bigger site to house the larger power needs of our miners. So another issue, a couple of quick things. We'll go over to the website for a quick second. Okay, from the website, I just wanted to show a quick little error that's happening and possibly a little bit of a fix. And then if not, I'd recommend doing a ticket in so that we can have a little look in the back end for you. So when you click Mint NFT, you'll want to have your KDA address there. You'll also want to make sure USDC one is there. If it's not, that's because it's not connecting to the website, and you'll need to fix that. And then your quantity. Then you scroll down. Obviously have a peek at which one you'd like to pick, and you can see that the KH maxes are going through quite quickly, so you're going to want to keep your eye on those. If you're looking for one of those, you might want to do it soon. Click buy now. Obviously I'm not set up to do it right this second. And then if you don't see a blue dot there and you don't pull it up and see a transaction there, then there's something wrong. One quick fix that might work is going to the big dot up top here, going to settings, then clicking advanced and reset account. It's almost like deleting your history like you do in here, which I'd recommend doing this as well, is going to privacy and security, clear browsing data. Once you do both that and the MetaMask, it should clear everything for you and allow the transaction to go through. If it's still not going through, as mentioned before, please put in a ticket and the founder will look at it and figure out what's going on. At worst case scenario, they'll do an over-the-counter transaction with you to make sure you get your NFT. And that about wraps it up for today. A couple of quick things that I did want to go into. We've had a few people ask why Founder has not publicly doxed. I think this is a fairly common thing in this environment right now. Unfortunately, and I was writing something up, and to be honest with you, Hashing, which actually probably put it the best. It protects his family, but it also protects the farm and the community that we're involved in right now. People are crazy. I can't put it any other better way than that. Someone could kidnap him or his family and try and reveal the location of the farm in order to rob all the equipment. I mean, these are sad things to have to think about, but unfortunately they are. RugDoc, which was what Founder has done, takes all the information you'd ever need. And if something was to happen, any of us can call RugDocs and get all his information and hunt him down if that's the way it went. But I highly doubt there's a reason for that. On top of that, and just to share some other information, that factual information that really makes this less necessary, he's doxed to Hive, who also know the location of the farm, and Hive founders are doxed as well. So this, to me, brought me all the comfort in the world. I came to this project because of Hive and because of that. That's why I'm here to stay. Ross is also doxed. He's one of our staked partners on Kadena hashing. But regardless, docking, it never really assures the project's not going to fail. I think, as you'll see in the white paper and all that stuff, this project is well thought out. As said before, there's no coin that's going to crash. It's just sound objective with sound planning, and I'm behind it. As an added little thing, as Hashing which again said, she's been working on this project and does not get paid anything until the 6-month time period, like all of our members. As well, like myself and all the other mine deputies, we're not getting paid anything for supporting the community. And these videos, I'm not expecting nor getting anything for them. I'm just talking about something that I believe in. So thanks so much for hanging out. Please like and subscribe. Take a moment to hit the bell notification button if you want to hear about content that I release as I release it. Thank you again for coming by, and have yourselves a wonderful rest of your day.